Right, so what I'm using on my brow bone right now is Sasha Buttercup, because I don't find that I didn't want to put the white on my brow bone because the white is in the palette, but I didn't want to put it in my brow bone. So this is the palette that I'll be using, and this entire look is Fontana Pharmacy, including the foundation, but I chose just to do the eyes for today. Now this palette is being discontinued by Fontana Pharmacy, but don't worry, your girl's gonna find something else that will do what this palette does. A very good dupe and a more amazing dupe is actually the Inglot eyeshadows, and if you're a professional, you can actually build your own kit using the Inglot eyeshadows. I recommend the trio ones, because say I have one little magnetic thingy with 3 colors in there, so I'd recommend that if you're looking to replace the Sasha, this Santi palette. Right, so I'm just going with a bunch of colors just to get my eyes all colorful looking. This look, as per usual, I winged it, and I'm using my husband's laptop to edit my video because there's something wrong with mine, so I don't have my usual music that I would normally play over the music that actually doesn't allow me to get into trouble. So yeah, so the brushes I'll be using, most of them are from Pomade, but there's one that's from Sedona Lace, and that's when I get to the glow aspect of this. Now the glow aspect of this tutorial is very reminiscent of my Fenty Beauty stuff. In terms of how I use Fenty Beauty, that's how I used my glow combo for this look, but of course it's all drugstore, it's all Fontana Pharmacy, so that's a very good dupe as well if you're looking for that. So this video is basically just showing another colorful look, another way how I can use colors, and another way, and a more, I don't know if it's detailed, but another way how you can achieve the cut crease. This is the trending cut crease that's happening right now, and to be honest, I can't tell you when last I used my traditional cut crease method. The white base is LA Pro Primer in white. That's the color, and that's what I use on my eyes. It's actually an eyeshadow base, so it doesn't crease the eyeshadows, but it also allows the colors to pop, and I have it in black, nude, and white. Right, so I used some colors on my eyes here, but then I switched out for the matte aspect because these colors weren't meshing how I wanted it to mesh. So I'm going with the matte color now, and I went in with the matte yellow, and I find that it moved. I see how it's moving into each other a little bit. It has more finesse in the movement. It's blending better. So now I'm going with the black, and this brush is not by Fontana. It's actually my MAC 217 brush. Oh my god, if you're a makeup artist, you absolutely need this brush. I can't hide and talk, the brush bad. So this is what I'm using to apply the black, and the black I'm using is actually from the shimmer side of the palette, because of how that this black, it is more pigmented than the other black on the other side of the palette. So right now I'm going with this orange, this is my MAC 214 brush, 214? Yeah, 214 brush. And I'm going with this orange color. The color didn't really speak to me. It was very muted, but I use it anyway just to kind of blend out the edges without depositing a lot of color. So I'm going with this yellow, and I'm just kind of dusting this on my brow bone to add even more color on my eyes. I love doing colorful looks, and I've been doing colorful looks now for a couple of weeks and I just decided to film this one for you guys today. Just another way how you can use your colors. That was LA Pro Primer in black. I used the white one. Now is the black one as my eyeliner, and then I'm going with this purple color underneath, and this is the only purple color that I'll be using underneath. So this is Makeup Essentials Pirates Gold, and Makeup Essentials at Fontana Pharmacy as well. I got it damp, and then I just put it in my happy area, and I was laughing before because for this entire video, Jeremy and I, we've been talking, and he's hilarious. My lashes are actually Fashionista lashes, not sold at Fontana Pharmacy, but they're from my lash line, my Pomade Lashes lash line. Now this is the glow combo I was talking to you guys about. So this is from LA Girl, highlight and contour, and this is my 03 Inglot blush. This 03 Inglot blush is everything, and I'm just blending out using the same brush I used to do my powder foundation. So I'm just blending out the areas. This is basically the look for my lips. I'm going to be wearing Maybelline's 650 Nude, and to blend that I'm going to be using LA Girl Chestnut lip liner, and this is what I'm using as my blush as well, everything. So I just told you guys my lip combo. This is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A really short video just showing guys my eyes only. I hope you can appreciate it. Don't forget about my classes here in Jamaica as well as Florida. You can read more about that on my website, LyricRochester.com, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. You can also get my music, my single, in the description bar below as well. Talk to you guys in my next video, guys. Bye.